awesome. This is Clam Bayou at night. You can listen to all the sounds